the youth is the future of our country, a truth that the lower house knows all too well. That is why it is pushing for several measures that will help give that sector a brighter future. PTV's Melales Moras tells us more.
More jobs and other opportunities for the youth. These are the results the lawmaker expect once House Bill number 11213 or the Education Pathways Bill is fully enacted into law. Last Wednesday, the lower house passed the proposal on second reading, and next week it is expected to be approved on final reading. According to House Committee on Basic Education and Culture Chair Roman Romulo, the bill aims to streamline and simplify the K-12 system. Under the bill, the current basic education program will be amended to make it simpler and effective.
Under this proposal, sinimplify na lang natin. Una, after grade 10, pili ka na. Kung gusto kong TechVoc, pupunta ka na sa tinatawag naming industry-driven curriculum. Pangalawang pwede mong piliin, kung gusto mo pang magkolehiyo, yun na, doon ka na papasok sa academic track ulit. Pero dito, ang sinasabi natin, hindi na dapat, wala ng strands, wala ng tracks, at wala na masyadong maraming subjects.
Aside from this, the anti-teenage pregnancy bill is also a hot topic right now, and lawmakers have differing views on the matter.
Hindi po totoo na tuturuan natin yung mga bata na magmaster sila, ganyan. In fact, maraming mga studies yung nagpapakita na habang hindi pa nga formally natuturuan yung mga kabataan ng mga concepts related to their bodies, ay pwedeng mag-engage sa mga risky activities ang mga kabataan. Kaya mas mainam pa nga na merong proper guidance sa kanila.
Sinasabi po natin sa kanila, pag-aralan sana, at sa Lunes po, magkakaroon na naman ng committee meeting, yung pangalawang committee meeting, para magre-report back naman ng DepEd, para ano pa talaga yung basihan nila for implementing.
Meanwhile, to further address stunting and malnutrition among children, the Early Childhood Care and Development Bill is also expected to be enacted soon under the 19th Congress, as it is now set to undergo deliberations in the Bicameral Conference Committee of Congress. From PTV, Melales Moras, Balitang Pambansa.